Hello student, welcome to the EdTech Lab. Today in this video we will learn about the Oersted experiment. So this is our circuit diagram. You can see here our one conductor XY is just connect with battery and one switch, and it just placed upper side the one magnetic needle. Now in starting, when no electric current just flow inside this conductor, at that time our magnetic needle just pointed in the earth magnetic field. You can see here. So this is our conductor, and just downside the conductor you can see our one magnetic needle and just pointed in the earth magnetic field. So our this side of this needle just pointed in the north side, and it opposite side of this needle just pointed in the south side. Now what will happen now when we switch on this key? So at that time the current just flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery from this conductor from X side to the Y side. And current carrying conductor always generate the magnetic field around it, and it just detect with the help of the Fleming right hand rule. So this is our Fleming right hand rule. Now according to this rule, our thumb just pointed in the direction of the electrical current, and our curled fingers around it just represent the direction of the magnetic field. So it means the direction of the magnetic field around this current carrying conductor is just in a anti-clockwise direction. So our magnetic needle just experience a force due to the magnetic field generated by this current carrying conductor. So our magnetic needle experience force sometime in west side and sometime in east side. It just depend upon the direction of the current inside a conductor. Now according to Ampere's swimming rule, if an electric current just flow from X side to the Y side, and here from the foot side to the head side of the human body, then our magnetic needle just deflect towards the left side. And now when electric current just flow from Y side to the X side in a conductor, and here from the head to the foot side, then our compass needle just deflect towards the right hand side. Now let's see experiment. So this is our setup. You can see all the components are connected according to the circuit diagram on this breadboard. So this is our X terminal of the conductor, and this is our Y terminal of the conductor. And X terminal of the conductor is here connect with this orange male connectors, and Y terminal of the conductor is just connect with this blue male connectors. Now connect the orange connector to the positive terminal of the battery and blue connector to the negative terminal of the battery. And this is our 9-volt battery. So this is the positive terminal of battery and this is the negative terminal of battery. Now let's see our compass needle deflect in which direction now when we complete circuit. So this is the positive terminal. Then you can see our compass needle deflect towards the west side, because the electrical current flow inside this copper wire from X terminal to the Y terminal. And now what will happen now when direction of the electrical current is reversed in the circuit, means from Y to the X axis. So now in this case, connect the positive terminal of the battery to the blue male connectors and negative terminal to the orange male connectors. Now in this case, now let's see. Then you can see our compass needle just deflect again, but in opposite direction. So it just deflect in a east side. So the direction of the deflection of this compass needle is just detect with the help of this swimming rule. So thanks for watching. So please like, subscribe and click on bell icon.